Here I'm going to show you how to install the Ridgid R4512 fence rail guides. Before you can install the rail guide, you will need to do some sanding so it can fit in between the metal on the bottom of your fence. Concentrate most of your sanding on these two locations. The rail guide should fit loosely, not too tight and not too loose. You may also have to do a little sanding around these as well for a better fit. Now on the back side of the rail guide, you may have to do a little sanding inside this groove right here, just to make it a little smoother, and I'll explain why later. I also sanded down these rail guides as well. The 3D plastic's a little gritty, just wanted to make it smoother. Now we're ready to install the rail guide. Make sure the hole is pointing downward, that's for the screw. It should slip in nice and easy, not too tight, not too loose. If it doesn't go in this easy, then you probably need to keep sanding. Now just install the screw and just be careful not to over tighten it. Installing the front rail guides are pretty cut and dry. Just take off the old ones and put the new ones on. Again, be careful not to over tighten. These thin pieces can crack easily, but if you have some CA glue, they can be fixed. Next, I'm going to put a liberal coat of paste wax on the rail guides that I sanded down smooth. It's really going to help to make the fence slide back and forth easily. I'm even going to put some paste wax on the rails itself. So before you install the fence back onto your table, you're going to want to back this nut off just a little bit. This guy is a little thicker than the factory, so when you go to lock your fence down, you may snap it. So back it off now and tighten it as you need it. So after backing off the nut just a little bit, getting all your paste wax on all your rails, go ahead and give it a shot. It's going to be a little tight, you're going to have to shimmy it back and forth, but just be gentle until you get it on there. I've had mine on there for a few weeks, so I've got it dialed in pretty good. But lock it down and it locks. You may also have to make some adjustments to the height of your fence with these adjustments right here. If it's dragging across the table, you might want to just lift it a little bit. If it still drags, you may want to check out the level of your rails compared to your table. That could be a problem as well. Thanks for watching.